Okay, now we are going to discuss about the changing temperature unit. Changing temperature unit. How the changing the temperature units? Already temperature units we know: Celsius, degree Celsius, and Kelvin. Degree Celsius and Kelvin. If they are given the value Celsius, how can we change the Kelvin? For suppose if they are given the Kelvin values, how can we convert into the Celsius? First one is Celsius to Kelvin. This is the one. Celsius, they given Celsius means we can convert into the Kelvin. Second one is Kelvin convert into the Celsius. These are the units. Celsius. How many degrees is equals to the how many kelvins? 0 degrees is equals to the 273.15 Kelvin. Already we know 0 degree Celsius is equals to the 273.15 Kelvin. But when we are converting in Celsius to the Kelvin, we did not consider 0.15. We did not consider 0.15. So degree Celsius is equals to the 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. When we are converting, exactly value is the 273.15. But when we are converting Celsius to Kelvin, we did not consider 0.15. We did not consider. So rounded fixed value is the 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. So first by the examples we can easily understand. We have to take some examples and we can understand. Convert into Celsius. Convert into Celsius. So for suppose they given the values in Kelvin, how can we convert into the Celsius? Kelvin convert into the Celsius. Kelvin convert into the Celsius. Here first one is a value in Kelvin 470 Kelvin. K means Kelvin. And the second one 173 Kelvin. The given values in Kelvin, how can we convert into the degree Celsius? How can we convert it to the degree Celsius? How much they given first one? 470 Kelvin. This 470 Kelvin, how can we convert? Here degree Celsius is equals to the Kelvin minus 273. Kelvin minus 273. So Kelvin they given, we can converting into the degree Celsius. What is the formula? Degree Celsius is equals to the Kelvin minus 273. Here minus 273. From the Kelvin value we can subtract 273. Then we can get the value, that is the degree Celsius. Here we can substitute the values. Then we can get the, here Kelvin how much they given? Kelvin 470. 470 minus 273. 470 minus 273 is equal to how much? 197 degrees Celsius. 197 degrees Celsius. This is a conversion of Kelvin into degree Celsius. What is the formula? Degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus 273. Minus 273. Okay. From the Kelvins we can subtract the minus 273 means we can get the degree Celsius. Okay. In the same way, second one value how much they given? 173 Kelvin they given. Same. Degree Celsius is equals to the Kelvin minus 273. Here degree Celsius Kelvin value how much? 173 minus 273. Here 173 minus 273 means 100. That is a plus 100 or minus 100? Here minus 100 will become. This is a degree Celsius. 173 is equal to how many degrees Celsius? Minus 100 degree Celsius. This is about the Kelvin convert into the Celsius. Kelvin convert into the Celsius. Next one, degree Celsius convert into the Kelvin. Celsius convert into the to Kelvin. Celsius convert into the Kelvin. So first one 30. Here degree Celsius. They given degree Celsius minus 71 degree Celsius. How can we convert? Here what we are doing? What we are did? Minus 273. We can subtract the minus 273 from the Kelvin, means we can get the Celsius. Then here, what about here? Celsius convert into the Kelvin. Here how much they given? Degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. First, this is the formula. From this, degree Celsius they given. How much they given? Degree Celsius is equal to 30. Kelvin we don't know. Minus 273. Here, minus this, we want only Kelvins only. So, Kelvin is equal to, when we are writing the Kelvin is equal to, this minus 273 goes to the this side and plus 273 will be done. Then Kelvin is equal to 30 plus 273 is equal to Kelvin. 30 plus 273, we are adding the 273. Here we are subtract the 273. Here we are adding the 273. Then we can get the Kelvin. 273 plus 30. How much? 303 Kelvin. 303 Kelvin. Here why we are converting this minus 273 to plus 273? Already they given degree Celsius. That's why we can changing the value. And next one here minus 71. Minus 71 means same degree Celsius, and minus 71 how much we can add? Plus 273. Plus 273. Minus 71 plus 273 is equal to 202 Kelvin. 202 Kelvin. Minus 71 plus 273 is equal to 202 Kelvin. This is the same method. Degree Celsius how much they given? Minus 71 they given. Kelvin minus 273, and minus 71 plus 273 is equal to 202 Kelvin. Here you can remember only simple thing. When they are given Kelvin, you can, if they given Kelvin means you can subtract with minus 73. If they given degree Celsius means you can add the plus 273. Here minus 273, here plus 273. Celsius to convert into the Kelvin means plus 273. Kelvin to Celsius means minus 273. Plus 273, one is a plus 273, another one is a minus 273. Okay, thank you.